What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I've got a smile on my face because we hit 5,000 subscribers, which is huge. I never thought the channel would grow to that point, so I'm super excited. On that note, merch. I am working on it. That's probably why my video production has slowed down just slightly over the past couple weeks. I'm working tons on getting that merch done. I've got a few really good designs made up. I'm just trying to solidify who I want to be producing that for me so that I know the quality is good. So in today's video, we're going to be working with one of my favorite companies for first gen parts. You can see my shirt here, Geno's Garage. This is the company ever since I've owned Cummins trucks, which my first one I bought in 2009. I've worked with Geno's Garage. I trust their parts. Their customer service is great. They only sell stuff that is trusted, that is quality, original parts. So if you need anything first gen related or Cummins related, make sure to check them out. That's the first website I go to when I need a part. Now, admittedly, their selection of first gen parts isn't as robust as you would hope it would be. But the reason for that is, like I said, they don't just carry all the parts that they can find for first gens. They only carry stuff that they know is a quality part or an original part. So that's why I always look there if they have it first. If they don't have it, I'll look elsewhere. But I just love their customer service. I've shopped with them for, 12 years now. So if you're looking for some quality stuff, make sure to check them out. What we're gonna do, I got some parts from them. Just some random stuff. 3 things we're going to install today. Got our Geno's Garage hat, Cummins sticker. That comes with, I believe, any order you make with them, you'll get the 6-inch Cummins sticker, which is one thing I've always loved. We've got this. We've got this. And then we've got the third thing we're going to install is right here, and this is my favorite product for first gens, and Geno's is the only one who sells this, so I'm going to save that till the end. But first, Prospector Bob has a squeaky belt. I've already kind of tried to diagnose it and found it's not one of the pulleys as far as what I can tell. So I ordered a belt. We're going to try a belt first. This is the Gates greenback belt, which is my favorite belt. This belt is also known for eliminating the Cummins squeak when you turn the truck off and it squeaks or squeals. This is the belt you want if you want to get rid of that squeal. So we're going to replace that, then we're going to replace something on the OG crew cab. We'll get this pulled off. I've actually got a video I'll link above about getting the belt off of these. So let me do that, and then we're going to move over to the OG crew cab, and we have an oil pressure sending unit issue, so we're going to replace that. So before you take a belt off, make sure to get your camera out, your phone or whatever, and kind of get a picture of the routing. You don't want to put it on wrong or get the old one off and not remember how to get the new one on. And for most of you first gen guys, up here under the hood should be a sticker that shows the belt routing. This isn't a Cummins truck originally, so it doesn't have that. But just so you know, it'll have the diagram for AC and non-AC. All right, now that we got that serpentine belt put in, the squeak is gone on Prospector Bob, that's good to go. So now we're gonna do the next item of business. We gotta have a genuine Cummins oil pressure sending unit. So I'm gonna put a video on the screen right now that shows you my oil pressure gauge is all over the place. Now, so if I let my foot off the gas, you kind of sits where it should, but as soon as I start giving it throttle, it dips. So I suspect a faulty oil pressure sending unit. So that's what we're gonna replace and see if it fixes it. I am gonna actually upgrade and do an aftermarket gauge for this, but that'll come down the road. For right now, I just want that stock gauge to read correctly. So you can see on that video, the oil pressure reads normal until I give it some fuel, and then it drops. That's after it's warmed up. When it's cold, it does the opposite. It reads low and then it goes up. When I give it fuel, it's all over the place, inconsistent, which leads me to believe it's the sensor and not an actual oil pressure issue. So we're gonna change the sending unit and that should fix it. So let's go ahead and do that real quick, and then I'll show you the last Geno's Garage product that I got. It's my favorite product that they sell for first gens. All right, here we go. Start this up and see how it is. Perfect. So before, if I gave it any throttle, it would drop. All right, so that is fixed. That was way easier than doing the serpentine belt. The serpentine belt's a pain in the butt in my opinion. So 27 millimeter wrench did it. It just took a ton of little tiny turns on it. So, all right, let's turn it off and I will show you my favorite product from Geno's Garage. You guys know we just finished the interior of Prospector Bob. Well, here is my favorite thing from Geno's Garage. Their dash mats. They fit really, really well. I've tried a couple different dash mats and these are by far the best. So let me, there we go. So it actually has some pieces of double-sided tape with Velcro on it on the back that I'm gonna mount up. But for now, we're just gonna set it on here, let it kind of lay out, let the sun hit it a little bit, soften it up. But this is the same dash mat I've run in the OG crew cab for 10 years, I think. So here's, I mean, it just fits well. That patch is one I had my wife put on there. It's the vintage Cummins diesel logo. Anyways, these dash mats, I think they're 55 bucks, but totally worth it, especially with dash problems in these trucks with the dash cracking. This is the way to go and it looks really good. I think they have 3 colors available, so go check them out. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Just some random projects to do today on both trucks. And thanks to Geno's Garage. If you guys go buy anything at Geno's Garage, put in there's a section when you make an order, some special comments. Put in there that Decent Garage sent you. Let them know that we support them. Let them know you came from the channel. And then maybe at some point we'll have a discount code that they'll provide us with, that you can get maybe a little discount on your products. But as of right now, I love every product I've bought from there. They back their products 100%. So thanks to Geno's Garage. Thanks to you guys, and we will see you guys in the next video.